What's up, y'all? Welcome back to FFR's channel. And it is nighttime, obviously. I don't know if you can see me real well, but we are out here working on the trailer. We have got the legend cars both sitting under the house, ready to go. And I have decided last minute before the race to go ahead and see if I can get this fixed. And yes, it is dark, but it would be even darker if I did not have a generous surprise by Mr. Dave Castor again, the guy who bought Austin his suit. He so kindly blessed our team with some pit lights. So y'all check this out. I've got one of them just set here so that I could have some light to work on this trailer. And he's got the other one. I've already got the other one built. It's sitting right over there, but look how much light this thing puts off. And of course it's on the ground right now, but it is amazing. We had them up. I'll throw a picture up where we had them up on the house, and you can see that they are incredible. They light everything up. So we've got the legend cars ready to go, pretty much. Cross your fingers. I didn't video none of that because it was real hard for me to video and work with my finger in the shop, and it was just a lot faster for me to do that. I worked on them all day. Hopefully we get some good results. But this weekend is the race with the Bicker Legend and my 13. This will be the first time that we race together. So I'm trying to see if I can get this straightened out before the races so that we can put both legend cars in this trailer. So let's see if we can get this thing straightened out. I'll show y'all what we're gonna do tonight. So obviously you've already seen that I've cut this out. I mentioned to you guys a while back about these crazy screws right here. They were that double square. I got that bit on my drill and was able to get all of these drills, or drill all these screws out, and they are a pain in the butt. Some of them stripped out, so we're having to kind of do this a little bit different than I want to. I'm just gonna cut a big square out and try to keep as much as this, and then we're just gonna seam them together and put the other sheet metal right over it instead of taking this whole entire side off. But I have a lot of it already done as far as cut out, and all we have to do is pull that one bar. This bar looks pretty good. We may have to pull it just a little bit, but all I've got to do is be able to get my come along around this one bar and get it pulled out. So we're gonna get the rest of this metal taken off, and then we'll move out there and pull the trailer up and try to get it close to the redneck frame machine and see if that'll pull it out. Look who showed up. What up, Flem? Hey, hold on. What you about to do?
Must have been racing with this behind the car and hit the wall.
I tried to tell him you were driving that tree that hit it. All right, guys, so we got all of the metal out. Whoa, wait a minute.
I think it's gonna break this.
Austin is gonna try to hammer it first. You can see right here how far off it is, so go ahead, give it a whack. See if you can do it without busting my wood. Whoa, there it went. Look at there. You moved it. All right, let's leave it like that.
No, I think I just popped this out.
No, I'm pretty sure you moved it. I can definitely tell you moved it. Oh, man. Look at that. You got it. All right, let's look at this real quick, and we're gonna we'll come back. Well, Austin hit it real good. He's sitting over there on the golf cart, and y'all look at this. Pretty much straight as an arrow. Let me get my level, I'll show y'all. Y'all look how good Austin got this. If you put this like this, check this out. Right there in that ledge, look at this. Matches, matches, matches. So pretty much, that is straight. Look at that. So what we did figure out is that one in there is bent. See how it's kind of got the wood bent out? So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to put this piece of board up and hit right there to see if we can get that one out. And if that's the case, then this will be straight again, and we can start putting the metal back on this baby and then put the wood back in, and that'll be a job. Didn't even have to use the redneck frame machine. Let's go see what old A. Fleming has to say. What?
Since he's done showed you, this is the golf cart we got when we doing a build on. Now
Yep.
you can see.
Austin picked up this golf cart. Definitely need to do some work to it. But we're gonna paint it up and get it all nice so we can take it to the track.
Be another video.
Let's go get this thing straightened up.
I should be asleep right now.
Couple of good ooga. Perfect. Here, help me push with it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I just don't see where it matters.
Because when we go to push that,
Yeah, when you go to do all that, it's going to just line up right. Why is that?
here, hit this one real hard.
My question is, that looks longer than 4 foot.
Hit that really hard, Austin.
Only problem is right here. How they got this. Oh, right there. Hold right there. Push it back in.
That's one way to get it off. Whoa! Try not to hit the metal.
So there's no way that it needs to go more.
So I just went ahead and pulled that piece off. It's gonna have to be replaced anyway. We got that one completely straight, so now you can see all the way down the side. If you can tell, it's pretty straight. It's not perfect, but it's as good as we're gonna get it. So what we're gonna do is I've come out here and I've got my scribe and stuff, and right here we're gonna make a real nice straight line, and we're gonna cut that out and make it real pretty, go up, and then make a real nice square. And then our sheet metal that we got for the sides, we're gonna put that right back over it and then just pot rivet it all back in and make it one seamless, nice piece all the way up. So here we go, let's do it. How you feeling about that? That looks good, don't it? So y'all can see what we did is we got it nice and cut out across the trailer there. Everything's nice and straight that way. And so Austin, tell them what you do for work. Just so happens to be a what?
Sheet metal mechanic.
A sheet metal mechanic. So he's about to make some magic happen on this metal. So a bunch of these screws down here are stripped out, and so we left this piece and we've got it pretty much pulled out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide the metal on the inside down below this first, and then when we get to the top, we're just gonna stop right at that seam up there and then pot rivet right in. So the new metal won't go under that top. It'll just go right to that seam, and we'll tie it in real nice.
I'm transitioning to race car drivers full time.
Yeah, so that's the plan. 2 pieces straight up and down, and then pot rivet that stuff in. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes good and it looks really nice. And then all we have to do is redo the metal I mean the wood on the inside. So let's see what Austin can do with this. So as you guys can see, do not look at the shop. I have been working on them legend cars all day from 7 o'clock to here it is, what time, Austin, 9:30?
Way past my bedtime.
Way past our bedtime. So here is the metal that we bought for the trailer.
Donated.
So we're gonna cut this just a little bit longer than normal, and Austin's gonna help me get it ready. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna get the air compressor and the pot rivets and the stuff ready so that we can drill it out and mount it up there. Make it a little long so that it'll slide up under that bottom.
Oh, it's gonna slide. Got it?
Remember, we want the top to go in, and the top's gonna
The
just
top's going underneath.
I can't get them things out and stripped out.
We can get a screwdriver and pry it, I promise you. If not, we'll cut it off.
I'd like for it to look nice and not have a big dent in it.
It's gonna have a little dent in it. The worst thing's that right here.
So we got the metal cut, and you saw me grinding. We had one of these screws that would not come off, so we just ground it flush. We've got the metal cut, and so now we're gonna slide it in the bottom and then go up top with it and throw some pot rivets in it and see if we can get this thing covered back up.
Take the other screw out.
It won't, it's stripped. That's why I said that's
You sure?
good.
Because I just took one out right there. You didn't think you were coming this far. So I don't think you've tried that. That's going to be a lot hard to get. You got to put it in. That's it.
I know it's getting dark, guys, but we got the first piece kinda up. Austin's gonna see if he can pry that one up under there.
This is not the kind of stuff to work with.
Yeah, I know, but y'all look at this. If you can see, look how seamless that is. I mean, it just goes on there perfect. We're using pot rivets instead of them old nasty screws. And I'm sorry the lighting's not as good out here, but we gotta work whenever the babies are asleep. So we'll keep on going. There it is, guys. Look at this. Metal is up. Look how straight that is. You can't really tell because that light, it looks all wrinkled, but once I get all the pot rivets in, look how seamless this thing is. I mean, it turned out really, really good. Look at that. So what I'll do is we'll come back in the morning and I'll show you guys whenever it's a little bit better in the daylight. But you can see from this side now, look how good it looks. Everything is closed up. So there's that hole. And what we'll do is I'll come back during the day, like I said, and we'll show you guys what it's gonna look like. And now all we gotta do is put that back up. So it's the next day, guys, and here is what it looks like. There's still a few of the pieces that you can see that's kind of bubbled out a little bit, but that's okay. I haven't put all of the sheet metal or the pot rivets in yet. It turned out great. Plus, whenever we put the wrap over this thing, it'll be wrapped from there, so you won't really won't really see it, but I'm very happy with it. And here is the good news, is that both cars are loaded up. So I got both Legend cars in here. They fit great with still plenty of room in the front. And we're gonna try it out for its first time tonight. Got the toolbox, got everything in here. Got our pit lights from Dave Castor. Again, Mr. Dave, thank you. We got everything mounted right here, so that's awesome. So that is a wrap for this video on the sheet metal repair. At least it's closed in now, so that is a very good thing. We're gonna call that a video right here. Today or yesterday was my nephew's first birthday, so the kiddos are all down there at Dad's house. They've got a big water slide and a blow up, so we're gonna go enjoy them. We're gonna do the giveaways in the upcoming, or 2 videos from now. Tonight is race night, and so we'll stop the video here. The next video that you see will be us at the track. I'm excited about tonight because both of us will be out on the track at one time, so it should make for some really good footage. But we're gonna do the super clean giveaway, and also Austin's video for his gift card. So if you are interested in the super clean giveaway, go back to the car reveal, the secret video with the question marks as the thumbnail. That is the super clean giveaway. And then the 3rd time's a charm video is Austin's for his gift card giveaway. Y'all make sure y'all go check that out. We're very close to our 700 subscriber mark at 750 subscribers. So just 51 more subscribers. We're gonna do another giveaway for that milestone, and then really big 1,000 subscriber giveaway that we're gonna do. You do not want to miss. So make sure that y'all hit that like button and subscribe, and leave me a comment if y'all enjoy these videos. Let me know how I'm doing. Otherwise, thank you to all of our sponsors and our supporters. We really appreciate that. Y'all make sure y'all smash that bell so that you get post notifications for whenever I post videos. We really appreciate it. We're gonna see what we can do tonight at the track, and we will catch y'all guys in the next video.